Welcome to the episode, folks. You don't want to miss this. This is full of drama. In this episode, I will show you who wins from the Chinese injectors to the Bosch injectors. The Bosch injectors are $450 Australian and the Chinese injectors are $50. Who will win? Just a few more dollars. I've been doing under here. I painted this black. I've rubbed it and then cleaner with a bit of methylated spirits, they call it. I'll show you the bottle. This white bit I've left because now I've got the spray can, the white, the Alaskan white. All I do is just mask it up, and this is how they did it. So I'm just doing exactly how they did it, and I'll just paint that white here, here, and it goes up in there. So I have to mask it up first. That's that one. I'll just use methylated spirits here. See that one there? I think it's like the equivalent in England. I think it's called white spirits. It's a general cleanup. So what I do is I buff it with a wire wheel all inside there first. And in here, so I've done the mud flap, new stainless screws. But here, I started to clean this, and I just paint it black. I'm not putting all these big chip stuff on there. And then here I'll paint this white, just so a little bit of presentation. I've assembled the whole lot. I've got 3 screws to put in the fan here. That's about it. But all the pulley, alternator, it's got the new module in the back. Battery hooked up, got the injectors in, got the plenum all back on and plumbed. Got all the wires in, so it will charge all the injectors up with fuel now. So I expect it to fire. All right, let's do it. Fixed it. All right, the V6 Buick EcoTech is up and running, and I've only just spun it over and started. Here we go. It'll have rubbish inside it. I got spare spark plug leads, and there's a few of them are a bit frayed, and I taped them up. So now I can change those over as well. So on this boiling hot day, she's going, mate. She's going. Skinny kid like me. She's going. Victory. 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 Chinese injectors. Just taking a break, and I just noticed up the road a person has a lemon tree on the highway, and I want to trade them. I haven't approached them yet. I'd like to trade the lemons for these pears. Right, this is the other type, but I've still got the normal type underneath. See that? See those ones? And I'll just see if they take it. You can do an exchange. So off we go, mate. Going in the car, in the classic car. Biggest in Australia, Kenworth. This is a lemon tree. They'll want to get the lemons off in there. Maybe, yeah, they're on holidays. Maybe there's another house we can go to. We might have a drive around, see if there's other lemons. Morning.
The gate, I'll come round and I'll bring you out a bag.
So I just met Elsie, and she took the pears, right? And she said she wants to give me a bag of lemons. How you doing? Thanks for accepting the offer. Frank, is it? Yeah.
On the ground, they're just all falling off.
Oh, that's what we like. just got back, folks, and you know I got a good swagger full. The gun's blazing, and this is what they gave me in the supermarket. They're $1 each, and they're for free. Look at it. We're going to squeeze them into our soda water, and we're going to drink all day. Drink it down, folks. It's all about the health. Right, go. Yeah, it's missing a bit. Let's have a look. Oh, here we've got a fire. Oh, it's on fire. Oh, it's on fire. Jeez, that's alternator. Caught on fire. Something shorting out. Had it out. Oh, God, just sucked in the fumes. What a monkey. So let that cool down. Don't know what's wrong with it. I don't know what to do. It'd be boiling hot. Oh, it's still on fire. There, held the flames. See in there? Oh, disconnect the battery. That alternator's toast. Pity you can't just check the engine because the alternator pulls off all the one belt. Everything's in order. Let's see here. I'm going to get the belt off to start off with. You push the tensioner down like that, just pull the belt off. That's how easy it is. See, it's off. And there's so much room in here. Not like a little Euro car, east-west engine. And I've changed the spark plug leads just before. And these are the ones that were on it. 3 of them were burnt through. So I taped them up. They were burnt through. So that could have been another problem. Right, that bolt's out. Put them up there for safekeepings. It comes out of this little home position, and we've got a plug in here. Plug comes out, and then we've got this. Get over here. Cool down a bit. Don't know why, unless it's touching on something. Spring loaded, has to be spring loaded, of course. See those two there rub on those prongs there, and this rubs in there. So to pull it apart, you have to pull these bolts apart. I think we'll better mark it. You gotta be careful, it could short out. Just blew it out, and we're just gonna see, and then it just started sparking just then, so we don't know what's gonna happen. Not sounding good. Not sounding good at all. Just see if it starts smoking here now. Oh, looks alright. Let's put the cover on him. Alright, it has to go back in place properly. Don't know why. Alright, that looks alright. Maybe because I didn't have the bolt tightened up. That's good. I wonder if we should put the belt on. Yeah, I'll put the belt on. What we're going to do is try again. I got it all in place and I blew out all the residue if it's sitting all those years. Don't know, had a lot of dirt and debris in it and that. We got the air compressor fired up and blew it out. We don't have the thermostat housing on, so we don't have the top hose on. We've got the bottom hose on, that's all buttoned up. So we're just going to see if it kicks and if this doesn't catch on fire. Okay, let's go shopping. Let's go shopping. Let's go shopping. That's good. That's improved. Hey, it's running nicely too. How's that? Let's go around the back. Got a thermostat gun here. 56, 100. So number 2 cylinders not working. 130, 130, 150. So I think it's running on 5 cylinders. That is, the alternator is still burning hot. That is 80 degrees. Number 2 cylinder is not working. It'll be the injector. Brand new injector, and it's not working. Chinese injector. I have one spare injector. This one has 190 degrees. That's 100. That one doesn't seem to be working either. That one is 200 degrees. 200, 200, 200. Oh. That one is working. That's 200. See that? The other one there, 200. It sounds like it's running on 5, so we're getting close, folks. 130, 160, 86. I reckon these injectors are not well. Just having a break, folks. We're whipping up a cappuccino and a latte. Here we go. How do you like that? Make some patterns. Oh, best one yet. Yep, happy as. The alternator caught on fire again, so I didn't even know if it was even charging. Decided to put my hand in the pocket and buy a new one. This has an integrated module in it. There's no extra parts. It's beautiful. This one, it says it's made by Mitsubishi. So we trust that it's up to scratch and it looks exactly the same. It's got the pulley on, so that's ready to go in. But the big news is, right, the Chinese injector's in there and the car runs as rough as the rough oceans. I decided to spend the money. So I bought Bosch injectors. They look exactly the same. Exactly the same. I'll give you a comparison also, but there's a little mark there and that has a Bosch symbol on it. I just looked on the ones that I got in the car. They're a bit bluer than these. It's got a bit more green in it. And those ones haven't got any Bosch signatures or anything. It looks solid the same. See, you can recopy this, make a mold and do it exactly the same. It's not hard to do, but to get them right, it's another thing. I'm going to put the 6 injectors in now and the alternator, and we're going to see what happens. We need some success, folks. Right, outrageous success. And then we're destined to do the circle work. Folks, I've got my glasses on here. Chinese injector versus Bosch injector. Chinese on the left here. So there's no, it's got F on here, it's got the same number. This one says E, but that little stamp there means Bosch. See that one there? Same part number, same. The Bosch one, it says on the pack it's still made in China, but it's Bosch. It's a lot more greener. This is how you tell the difference between a Chinese one and not. It's that brand there, Bosch there, and this one hasn't got it. And also if we turn it over quickly, the Bosch one says plus, and on this one, nothing, mate, nothing at all. So that's how you tell the difference between those two injectors for the V6 Commodore. I just changed over the alternator and 6 injectors. I put 6 Bosch ones in. The fuel will have to get up from the pump first into the injectors. All right, here we go. Absolute mint.
Yeah, it's cool.
I haven't heard it run like this on the button.
Yeah, it's cool.
Victory, victory, guys. Never give up, all right?
Yeah, it's
Tomorrow I'm going to put this together with the steering wheel on. I've got to screw the BCM up and the PCM. I just got to put them in position. But this is how well it starts on the key. Watch it. Sounds like a Holden, mate. Sounds like a real Holden. I'm going for a roadworthy in the next few days. Thanks for watching the episode, folks. I hope you loved it.